Upcycle craft in schools, teaching sustainability creatively. In education, inspiring interest and hands-on learning are key. Trash could be a classroom tool to achieve these goals by embracing the concept of repurposing materials into art and functional items. The global trend of incorporating upcycling into educational curricula is on the rise. Benefits of upcycle art in schools. Upcycling transforms waste materials destined for landfills into something aesthetically pleasing and valuable. But what are the benefits of upcycle craft in classrooms? Creativity and innovation. Upcycle crafts challenge students to think creatively, find solutions, spurring problem-solving and critical thinking. Budget-friendly. Students can source materials from home, gather paper rolls, bottles, or old fabrics with basic craft tools and creativity, and keep project costs minimal. Hands-on learning. Engaging with materials hands-on, students hone practical skills like cutting, gluing, painting, and assembling. This tactile experience enhances their comprehension of design and construction. Environmental consciousness. Projects raise waste reduction awareness, foster a sense of resourcefulness, and cultivate appreciation for the value and potential of materials that are often overlooked. Cross-curricular integration. Upcycle crafts integrate art training across various educational disciplines, such as STEAM, science, technology, engineering, art and mathematics, social studies, and economics. Students apply design aesthetics, material properties, structural physics, innovative tools, explore cultural dimensions, resource utilization, and economic sustainability, fostering interdisciplinary learning and teamwork. Prior planning. Before embarking on projects for upcycle art and crafts in your class, consider the following. Goal and objective. Define the learning objectives, whether focusing on visual arts, design thinking, technical craftsmanship, team building, or social studies. Resources. Assess available school resources and engage staff and parents to ensure project alignment with required tools, space, and time. Materials. Plan materials based on participant levels, project themes, and presentation methods. For example, papier-mâché may suit younger students, while a massive outdoor glass sculpture may be better suited for older students' capable hands. Consider the source of materials from personal use, local businesses, or community drives. Some common materials used in upcycle crafts projects include paper, textiles, plastic, metal, and other everyday objects. Duration and format. Decide project length, whether one-day activity, long-term project, or inter-school competition, based on learning objectives. Presentation and sharing. Consider how the finished products will be presented, enabling students to showcase their work and share their experience. Creations made in a single class may be used as a gift and presented orally in front of the class. On the other hand, a long-term project may be followed by diverse presentation avenues. Craft fairs, online platforms, fundraising sales, or exhibitions. Assessment. Post-project assessments are essential to obtain feedback for future improvement. Depending on the goals of the project, develop assessment criteria to evaluate the student's creativity, craftsmanship, sustainability principles, and presentation skills using scores, narratives, and peer evaluations. Upcycle craft project ideas. Engage students with creative and practical projects that effectively align with learning objectives. Some examples are papier-mâché figures. This can be a simple one-session class to transform newspapers, old books, and magazines into sculptural figures through layering and decorating. An oral sharing session in the class can explain the sources of the materials, the design concept, and the process, fostering creativity and providing a fun, hands-on experience. Plastic sculpture in public area. This can be a one-month group project for senior classes. Students will create an outdoor sculpture using discarded plastic items such as bottle caps, bags, toys, and disposable utensils. From designing, collecting materials, processing them, to assembling the sculpture, students will learn about aesthetics, properties of various plastic types, innovative use of tools, and teamwork, while accruing a sense of pride and achievement in the final product. Upcycled fashion show. A semester-long project for an inter-school fashion show competition. Encourage students to gather discarded clothing, fabric scraps, or broken jewelry from sources beyond their personal consumption, such as factory remnants and community donations. By transforming these recycled materials into wearable fashion pieces, students will exercise design and techniques, delve into the environmental and social impacts of the fast fashion industry, understand market dynamics, and practice event management skills. Engaging upcycle craft classrooms inspires sustainability, creativity, and valuable skills development. Its multi-dimensional nature bridges arts, sciences, and economics, worthy of educational exploration. UAACS, Upcycle Art and Craft Society, where creativity meets sustainability.